Guys, right now I'm going to make a quick update video for you because we could head a little bit lower before taking off, before blasting off next week. In this video, we're going to be talking about where cryptocurrencies are going to be going in the next 24 to 48 hours, how much further we can drop, and when we are going to start taking off and why. In addition to that, I have another coin that I'm going to share with you that could potentially, in the next couple of months, maybe 100X. Yes, you've heard it right. A coin that could potentially 100X coins like Saitama, coins like Shiba Inu. And this coin is right before it's even taken off. It's a new coin. I have to share it with you. There's a whole bunch of information in this video that you cannot miss about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and the whole crypto market. So guys, make sure you watch this video until the very end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about cryptocurrencies that I make every single day. If you also want to get access to the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now while it is only $10 a month. In addition, I have a bunch of other services where you can talk to me on the phone. We can go over your current portfolio through a phone consultation to make sure that you are set up in the best position possible for this bull run. If you love cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash the like button and let me know in the comment section what you think is going to be happening for cryptocurrencies this week. Is it going to be a huge green week or is it going to be more red? Also, do not forget, guys, I'm giving away $1,000 of Ethereum to one lucky winner the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, be a subscriber of the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter. My links will be in my video description. Follow those links only, and put Ethereum giveaway in the comment. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So as we are seeing in the whole crypto market today, we're seeing a bit of red, guys. Yes, we're seeing a bit of red. We have Sandbox down, we have Dogecoin, Ethereum. Most things are down just a little bit. I mean, Bitcoin is barely down like 0.68%. Ethereum's down 1%. Shiba is down 4%. Dogecoin down 2%. The whole crypto market is seeing a little bit of red. That's because we saw a huge pump yesterday, guys. The market recovered pretty strong yesterday. We saw a lot of green across every single cryptocurrencies. So that is expected. Also on the weekends are low volume days. On the weekends, there's the financial institutions, they're not working. A lot of the big whales, they're not moving a lot of money on Saturday. They're not really moving a lot of money on Sunday either. The most of the volume that comes for cryptocurrency generally happens Monday through Friday. So a lot of times on the weekends, especially after a red week, there's been a lot of FUD in the news happening. Do expect, guys, low volume, which means that the prices go down a little bit. There's a little bit of red, so don't let that freak you out. But sometimes, yes, we have seen on Saturdays, we have seen even on Sundays, there is a lot of volatility that can happen. But I am expecting, because we've had a pretty significant red week this week, that usually the Sundays when the financial markets start to open in Asia and across the world, that there's a huge bounce happening most likely tomorrow. So we may see a really big bounce in the crypto market towards tomorrow evening. So guys, we may see that Sunday evening US time. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below, but I am thinking that most likely Sunday night is when we are going to start seeing green. That's also when the futures markets open up for the stock market. So that's most likely what is going to happen. And I'm thinking that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, next week is going to be a crazy week for cryptocurrencies. Crazy in a good way. Now, moving on from that point, I have an article that says 3 reasons why Bitcoin's drop to 56,000 may have been the bottom. So there's a bunch of information, guys. There's a bunch of data in this article. It's not very important for me to read the whole thing, but basically what it is saying is that the market is very bullish based on all of this information. It's a whole bunch of information here, which is very good, that the market is bullish, that the drop that we have seen for Bitcoin, for cryptocurrencies, the last couple of days may have actually been the bottom. So we may actually, as I am predicting, and as I've been saying the last couple of days, that was the bottom, and we are most likely going to see a very, very green week this week. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. Now here we have another very, very good article, the Altcoin Roundup, 3 signs that show cryptocurrency mass adoption is underway. Guys, what's really going to be bringing the price of cryptocurrencies up like crazy is the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies. We are seeing crazy wide stream adoption happening every single week. There's always something every single week that is pushing cryptocurrencies up. Here we have crypto.com. They've also partnered with the Lakers, the LA Kings, to take over the Staples Center. So it's the crypto.com arena. Guys, there's massive arenas, there's massive stadiums becoming crypto-centric. This is a huge step in the right direction. We also have major brands like McDonald's, like Burger King, like just huge brands all across the world getting involved in NFTs, getting involved in cryptocurrencies, getting involved in metaverse. Guys, this mass adoption is taking place, and barely. It's like 4 to 5% of people in the entire world have somewhat of a cryptocurrency, have some exposure to cryptocurrency. And guys, next year, that exposure to cryptocurrency from people worldwide, internationally, may be 20%, 30%. And if that happens, that means, guys, there's literally 5 to even 10 times the amount of people that are holding cryptocurrency then when they are compared to now. So if that happens, that is very likely that cryptocurrencies could 10x, 20x, something crazy in just the next year alone. I mean, if we take a look back a year ago, if we take a look back at the price of cryptocurrencies, look at the price of Bitcoin a year ago. Where was it at? Look at the price of Ethereum, guys. Ethereum last year hit a low of $100 and something. Bitcoin, guys, hit a low of $3,000. Ethereum is now Bitcoin prices last year. Guys, it's crazy. In just 1 year's time, a year and a half, a little bit of a year, guys, how far have cryptocurrencies gone, and how much more with all this crazy mainstream massive adoption taking place right now? How much more will cryptocurrencies be worth in the future? A lot of people are speculating there's going to be these bear markets, and there's going to be cryptos crashing, going to zero, or going 50%, going negative 70%, and staying there for months or years. Guys, the bear markets that we have had are not going to happen again, at least for a very long time, because of all this adoption taking place right now. The adoption, the amount of people that are buying and getting involved in cryptocurrencies is not stopping at any rate. It's only going faster and faster and faster. How could the market crash and go down for zero, or go 50%, go negative 70% for months or years? Guys, I don't foresee that happening anytime soon. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. But what I do see, guys, is that the bear markets, they will be more condensed, that the drops will be smaller, the drops will be shorter, and the bull markets will be longer and bigger and faster. In addition to this, guys, look at this. Traditional finance finally embraces Bitcoin. So we are seeing traditional finance all across the stock market, all across the world. They are embracing cryptocurrencies, primarily Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, but that's only the gateway to Dogecoin. It's only the gateway to Shiba Inu and other small altcoins. So cryptocurrencies are still very, very bullish, guys. They're still very bullish. So let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. Okay, guys, here is a coin. I've mentioned this coin, I believe, a week ago, WOLVERINU, and it's actually gone up since we've talked about it. There's been a couple of coins, small coins on this channel that we have talked about that have gone up significantly. Like the first small coin I've talked about on this channel was Floki Inu. People are like, Miles, what the heck are you doing? What is this coin? It 10x since I talked about it, more than 10x. This coin, guys, I think personally, this is just my opinion, not financial advice. And guys, don't go crazy with this coin. Don't go putting massive percentages of it in your portfolio. But these small coins like this, guys, what I personally do is I put a small portion of my portfolio in these small little coins. And if they 50x, if they 100x, I make a lot of money. But if they go down 100% and it's only 1% or 2% or 3 or even 5% of my portfolio can only go down as much as I put into it based on the percentage allocation of my portfolio. So if it's 5%, my portfolio goes down 5%, but if I have cryptocurrencies go up 30% or 40% in a single day, it overcomes my loss. But if it goes up, I have unlimited upside potential. So that's the cool thing about investing in these really small coins. There's unlimited upside potential, but mitigated risk only to a small percentage based on the allocation of it in your portfolio. So if you guys want to get WOLVERINU, the coin is called WOLVERINU. I'm going to put a link to their website. If you want to learn how to buy it, you can just go to YouTube, go to Google. Type in how to buy WOLVERINU on their website. It tells you guys, you can just go to YouTube and figure out how to buy it. It's very simple. So I definitely recommend checking this currency out, checking this crypto out, see if it's a good thing to add to your portfolio. But a lot of people are asking me, Miles, is altcoin season yet? What's going on? So right now, as we see, if we take a look in the middle of the screen, we see we are at 49, which means that we are neither in Bitcoin season or altcoin season. So that means we need to be properly diversified. That's why people join my Patreon. They can talk to me on the phone to figure out what cryptocurrencies they need to be holding so that they can make the most money. Guys, we bought Sandbox, we bought Mana, we bought a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies these last several weeks in my Patreon. We've been making so much money. It's absolutely crazy. But right now, we are not in Bitcoin season. We are not in altcoin season. I believe that we will be in altcoin season around Christmas time, around the end of December, January, guys. And that's when I think the altcoins are going to take off. Right now, what we need to be doing is we need to have a big percentage of our portfolio in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then once altcoin season hits, we need to change our portfolio around. And I can do that for you in the Patreon. So go ahead and check that out. Also, guys, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 in my WEBULL. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny using my WEBULL link below. They will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300, which you could buy crypto with or send to your bank account. So let me show you a whole overview of the market. So guys, nothing really crazy happening, but Avalanche. Oh my gosh, guys, Avalanche is continuing to go crazy, up 13%. We bought Avalanche in the in the Patreon just a couple of weeks ago. We've been buying it for the last couple of months, but this thing is going crazy. Congratulations to Avalanche holders. I'm so happy for you. But guys, let's do a little bit of technical analysis. So as I have shown you yesterday, you guys need to check out my video yesterday. I explained to you why the crypto market has gone down, what's happening with it, and what's going to be happening. So as we see, if we zoom out, guys, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are still very bullish. Guys, there's always big drops before big pumps. Look at this. This is Bitcoin. Look at this. Significant drop here. Significant drop here. We take off. We take off. Now we have the significant drop and we are about to take off, in my opinion, guys. We are nowhere near the top of a crypto market because I have indicators to let me know when we are approaching the top of a crypto cycle. Guys, my indicators are letting me know that we are so far away from a top. We are so far away from a bear market that it is not even worth mentioning. That's how far we are. That's how bullish we are, guys. So if we zoom out, guys, we take a look at the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, we see we are still in an uptrend for mostly every single cryptocurrency. So I'm still very, very bullish. Ethereum, the same thing. Shiba Inu, guys, look, I'm gonna even take out this pattern. Look at this, guys. There's just a significant drop for Shiba Inu and it's looking like we are potentially finding a bottom here. But let me be very real with you guys. We could, as I had mentioned in the beginning of this video, we could see a pullback. A little bit of a pullback today or tomorrow, maybe the next couple of days before heading up and making a crazy run. So right now we are in massive discount territory for cryptocurrencies where we can make a whole bunch of money by buying these dips. Let me know in the comments below what dips you are buying. But overall, cryptocurrencies are just looking absolutely crazy. Look at Sandbox, guys. The small little dip, guys, this might be another buying opportunity, even though we are very, very high for the price of Sandbox. Guys, I think Sandbox is still about to take off. Dogecoin, guys, I am still very bullish. It's still trading inside this pattern that we have drawn several days ago, guys. It's still trading in this pattern. We are nearly approaching the apex. I think that we are gonna blast out of this apex in the next couple of days. The next 24 to 48 hours is going to be absolutely critical and crucial for cryptocurrencies, where I think that this week they're going to blast off. They are going to take off like crazy. So overall, the whole market is still extremely bullish. Yes, we can dip a little bit further. We can go down a little bit further, which will be completely normal, completely healthy. So guys, don't be fearful. Don't be worried. Don't be upset. The whole market is still very bullish. I am here to give you comfort, to let you know everything is okay, because you're going to be taking a look a couple of weeks from now, a month from now. You're going to be like, oh my gosh, I wish I'd have listened to Miles and bought the dip. Look at Miles, was so calm. He had his composure. He was not worried. And there is a reason why, because people that know cryptocurrencies, we don't get worried, because we know the future of cryptocurrencies. The future of cryptocurrencies cannot be stopped. There is nothing that can stop them. No president, no government, no country. That's why they were created, so that nobody can stop them. So that me and you, the people, we control our destiny with cryptocurrencies.